Hi gang, we're in the kitchen. Gonna make some strawberry, no, we're gonna make some blue raspberry crunch today. So I got some Starburst Jello, got some vanilla Jello, got a stick of butter split in half, and I got a 1 cup, well this is a half a cup, and I got 2 bowls here. So we're gonna start with half a cup of flour in each bowl. Over to the side as well, y'all, I got a pan with some parchment paper on it. I got a sheet pan with parchment paper. We're gonna need to put it in the oven. I got the oven on 350 degrees. So, got a half a cup flour in that bowl. Alright, then I got a half a cup of flour in that bowl. Got flour put to the side. Okay, now we're going to take half a stick of butter. Go ahead, chop that in the bowl. Well, so we got a half a stick of butter, half cup of flour. Now, other bowl. So in our other bowl here, go ahead and get that other half a stick butter. Got a butter knife so I can scrape the paper, get all my butter. Okay. Alright, y'all. So now, take the blue raspberry Jello. Go ahead, dump that pack in the bowl. Then I'm going to take my vanilla Jello. Dump that in the other bowl. Okay. Start mixing this blue raspberry crunch up. So you're just gonna take that flour with the Jello and the butter and go ahead and get it all combined up until it's like a crumbly mixture and well combined, because we're gonna bake it up in the oven to give it that crunchy effect after the fact. Just want to go ahead. I got a spatula, a little small spatula, getting it well combined in the bowl. Get a little arm workout in for today. I figure I try something different. If you can do strawberry crunch with the Jello, figure why not try some blue raspberry Jello to make crunch. So yeah, we're just gonna keep getting that mashed around till it's well combined, y'all. And I'll be back to show y'all how it looks once we got it well combined. Okay, gang. So I got it well combined. Y'all can see still a crumbly mixture, but that's why we have to put it on the baking sheet and get it all baked up to get it crispy. So that's what our blue raspberry is looking like so far. I'm gonna go ahead now and do the same thing with the vanilla Jello as well. I switched over to a fork to make it a little easier to mash around, y'all. So once I got that vanilla all mashed up in the bowl, I'll come back and show y'all what it's looking like. It's your girl Jack, Soledad's Fresh Market. Yeah, and thanks for watching the video today of the blue raspberry vanilla crunch. Okay, gang, we're back. Got that vanilla all mixed up. I'm gonna go ahead and get it on our sheet pan here. I'm gonna start with our vanilla. just get that flattened around. Let me bring y'all a little closer. Come closer. Just want to get that kind of smooth. So when you put it in the pan, it can crisp up. You don't want to leave it in the oven too long, but yeah, just kind of smooth it out. And so it can crisp up, and then we'll break it apart. Like once we bring it out of the pan, we'll go ahead and get it in one of our blenders and get it all broke down. So now we're going to take the blue over here. Alright, it's got our blue raspberry. We're going to get that spread out as well, y'all. And it's powdery right now, but that butter is going to help it crisp up in the oven. So that we can make our cookie crumble. And comment down below. Let me know if you guys have ever tried other forms of crumble for your desserts in the kitchen besides the famous strawberry crumble that we all love. I sure do love it anyway. Alright, y'all. So that's how it's looking on the pan before we put it in the oven. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this in my preheated 350-degree oven, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like once it comes out. Okay, gang, I've had it in the oven for 10 minutes. I'm gonna pull it out because blue is browning. I don't want it to be brown, I want it to be blue. So that is what it's looking like fresh out of the oven. Gonna let it sit and chill and concoct together, and then gonna get it over in a freezer bag all crushed and crumbled together. So I'll be back and show y'all the process of me getting that all crushed and crumbled together. It's your girl Jack from Soledad's Fresh Market, and thanks for watching the video today of the Blue Raspberry Crunch. Okay, gang, and here's our finished crumble. Our Blue Raspberry Vanilla crumble. And we used Starburst Blue Raspberry Jello, and we used the vanilla Jello packet to make this. So I'll have a picture in the thumbnail with our final crumb and the Jello mixture. Thanks for watching the video today, and comment down below. Let me know if you'll try this mixture. Easter is coming up, so this will be a pretty blue mixture to crumble on top of your cake or on top of your Easter cookies. It's your girl Jack from Zoladon's Fresh Market. Please subscribe to my channel and share the video, and go over to my bio and watch some of my other videos, y'all. I got like 100 videos posted, so go check out some of my other videos in the bio as well if you're learning how to cook. Thanks for watching. Bye.